Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 9a, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into Bootloader. So to get started, hold the power button and volume up at the same time and select power off from the options. Now when the device turns off, hold the power button and volume down at the same time. Now if it's not gonna start to boot into the bootloader, you can let go of the power button and start holding it again. There we go. So now, once you're in this mode, you can let go of the buttons. Now it's labeled as a fastboot mode, but there's also another fastboot mode as well. And if we go into recovery mode, which you can navigate through the menu that is visible one option at a time using volume buttons. So just to demonstrate a recovery mode, I'm going to confirm it with the power button. And in here, if I select the reboot to bootloader, which previous mode was supposedly labeled as fastboot mode, it will bring me back to this. So there we go. Anyway, to leave this, I'm just gonna select start, but before I do so, let's quickly go over the options that we actually have right here. So we have start, which takes us to Android, power off, self-explanatory, barcode, just use a barcode, rescue mode, no clue, never used it. A recovery mode, which you just see me utilize. Bootloader, which basically brings us back here. And we're back to start. So anyway, I'm gonna confirm that. And there we go. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.